Ka Khadar Daloi Law College jawai ka badetang maka marwe ka jaka pulean harilum jaintia kalapan ko burom ya kisamla pule ki balawan raknam ya ka college haka result LLB balapan benada ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU haka khat pratarik nailar arhajar arpulai Naki khatsan ngut ki bayakon ya ka LLB 6 semester arhajar arpulai nyongut de ki barung haka top 10 khat arngut ki bawan haka kerdan first division but uwan phalang buam naka NEHU college ulayo ya kanam topper urap borlang kharbi khiu ubade UMCS ubalawan haka kerdan ka bahnyo katba uhame shanya suyam ukhlor yalek kai kickboxing ka rilum jaintia ulawan haka kerdan ka basan Hakane ka jing Pynkup burom ladon lang ka MLA ka Sutenga Saipung ka Kong Santa Mary Shila UMDC JHADC Upas Mundkar President Governing Body Dr. PM Pasa President ka Society for the Study of Law SFCL R Lamar Secretary ka SFSL JB Lalu Bat Kiwei ka Kong Santa Mary Shila ha ka jingkren kala ai khuble ya baro ke balawan shakman bat penshuluru ya ki banyai chaprang ha ki kam babha jongki ha ka ju ka por ka panpau ka jing snosi ba ka ni ka college ka ne bat long kumju khlem jing kala kumta kala kentu ya ki bor penyai ka college ban ai da ka jing tho shaka khnang ban ya rap kat bala ya ki jing don kam jong ka college kat ba kadang don ha ka sarkar
I can understand that few years ago when I came here the infrastructure is still the same. It's so sad to say that. But I have noted that, doctor, and I will move on, and I also will urge you or to the governing body of the Khadar Daloi to write, the memorandum, what is needed for the college. Then you can submit it to me, or I'll proceed to the government and see it should be done at least within my tenure. Since our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sharma, he said that we in this 5 years, the mission of the government is to concentrate on education and health. That is the priority of the government. So I just hope that in this time, that all these years we have been struggling with the infrastructure and the other problems, financial crisis and the problems that you are having in the college, may at least in our time, maybe we can do something for this college. And it's so sad that it's been lying since 1984, 1986. So it's so sad that it's been like how many years now? 37 years? So it's really sad that the college is still the same. So I will urge the government, and with serious note, I will tell them that we need a college, a law college in Jaintia Hills. So it's very important that we have got one in Shillong, we have got one in Tura, but why not in Jaintia Hills? We need that. So I will definitely pursue this to the government, and I hope that this time we should get something or the other. I will congratulate the outstanding students, really outstanding. You have done really well, and I hope that the next student will also be having this kind of awards in the future. I wish you all the very best, that the students of this college will keep on, coming up in this kind of performance, that is such an outstanding performance they've got this year. So next year also, I hope that they will be getting another maybe more. Like this year we're getting 12, maybe next year we may get 20, 25.
As you have heard, my name is Wan Halang Buam. I am from Umlatpur village, from Ambulance subdivision. Basically, I'm a Jaintia, and I'm currently working in Syllad in the district and session court, Syllad. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today, and immensely grateful for this opportunity to address you as the topper from Northeastern Hill University representing this college. I am filled with profound sense of gratitude and pride, not just for myself, but for all my classmates who have embarked on this remarkable journey of our law education. As I reflect upon my journey, I want to share with you on why did I choose to study law, and why it has been such a profound and rewarding experience for me. My decision to study law was not merely a career choice, but it was a calling. I recognize that the law is a powerful tool for addressing societal issues, and ensuring that justice prevails. I actually came from social work background. I did my degree in social work from St. Edmund's College in 2014. Thereafter, I did my post-graduation in social work from Pune University. My experience in social work studies has drawn me to the idea of justice, where I witnessed inequality, injustice, and the marginalization of vulnerable individuals and communities. These experiences ignited a fire within me, a desire to study or to understand the intricacies of the legal system and the impact it has on individuals and society at large. I tried to enroll myself first to study law quite a few number of times, but that didn't happen. It was only in the year 2020 when I met the former principals, Miss Armana, who had actually insisted me to enroll myself in this college. And here I am today. I stand humble and rich and grateful for this achievement that this college has given me.
I am, in fact, presently working as an additional district magistrate or Iboy, Nampo. Machalam is here, he's only the lone face here because I was posted here in July as EAC then. That was 2013, 14, 15 and 16, 4 years. It was during the time of NGT ban. So the assessment of goal, I had to do all that in Kerala and Skala. It was a tough time. So long story, I was in pursue law right from the days I was in Calcutta. I studied, I passed out from St. Anthony's College, I was working in Calcutta. My Syllad was here. He traveled to Sydney during the Olympics, Sydney Olympic. And if my remembers, I helped him with the cargo, the custom clearance at Calcutta Airport. My Elang was then just a businessman. He went to Sydney Olympic. So since my friend Xiang Pang, who was a close associate of Man Elang, he is my classmate. So they were having some custom problem at the Calcutta Airport. So I was a protocol officer at Calcutta Airport. My job was to receive VIPs like madam, escort them to Meghalaya. So it was small. One inspiring thing about me, I might not boast, I'm sorry to say it, but I left home at a very young age because I come from a humble family. So in my BA first year, I had to quit my studies since I got a job. I got as sub-inspector excise and telephone operator of Calcutta Meghalaya. Telephone operator means receptionist, and it takes some time with the permission of the chair. So I am a person who self-studied, self-learner to say. There was no, that time there was no internet, no YouTube, no Google. I studied, I sat in the reception and studied. And at that time, thanks to dear Sir Professor, who was my director at the ADM Kolkata, he told me that I should pursue. He gave me the shift only in the morning from 6 o'clock till 2 o'clock. Then I pursued my study, cleared my graduation from St. Anthony's College. I'm thankful to Father Meghalaya who allowed me to pursue as a regular candidate. Then the story went on. I took admission at Jadavpur University, then studied there. And right from those days, I always studied. I enrolled in many courses in IGLU, and law was my passion. Right before 2010 when I joined the MCS. But after joining the MCS, I realized that, sitting there in the chair, we were judicial magistrate then, because there was the judiciary was not bifurcated then. Okay, judiciary and executive was one. We were the law then, at that time, we were as judicial magistrate. So I was thinking, I'm sitting here, lawyers come to me, the PP and the defense counsel. Whatever they say, it was nothing went inside my mind. So I was not doing justice to my chair. So I pursued law. But then I studied. Right from those days I studied, but the only thing that I never had a degree. So it went on that I took admission, but since I was posted in July, I couldn't pursue. I took the admission at Syllad Law College. Then again in the year 2016, after I was transferred from July, I went as BDO only. So as BDO, I was the boss of the office. No one could control me since I was the independent officer. That time I took admission at Syllad Law College, 2017. I reached the level of 5th semester. But then when I appeared the 5th semester, the problem happened that my attendance was too low. So I couldn't achieve the 75%. So I was not allowed to sit the exam. I was totally disappointed. Then happened COVID, okay, 2020. Then 2019 I had to leave law Then in the year 2020, when COVID happened, there was a flood of online studies there. So what happened that time, my friend Mick, who is not here with me now, Mick helped me. He's a PhD holder. He's a lecturer in chemistry in St. Mary's College. He also is one of our batch. He's not keeping well. So he told me that we should pursue since online is going on. I said, what about if the online classes start? He said, let's see. So we took admission, and till the third semester somehow we did it through online. But after that, Madam Principal, surprisingly, she was my APP then in Shillong, in Joy Court. Madam Rimaya Manar. She came as an APP then when I was in Joy. So she considered. She said, no sir, it's your passion, you can. I'm so thankful, I'm indebted to the law college, to the SFLS, Society for Studies of Law. People like us ask me to study who cannot afford the time, you know. We always try to come here. We come here on weekends, sometimes on weekdays we come for all. We always try to comply to the you know, the students' decorum. Even though I'm working, even though Madam Principal knows me well, I don't take advantage because I'm still a student. And like to say, there's no limit for studying. Okay, we have to upgrade ourselves. This is like you know, an exhortation to my junior colleagues. There's no limit to learn, and there's no limit to learn, to study. Upgrade yourself. Right now, I'll tell you, I'm planning to take a course on AI, artificial intelligence. I've already enrolled. It's an online course for 6 months. Upgrade yourself with ChatGPT, other AI tools. Okay, then you keep up with the you know, the system. So that's all. Thank you so much. I'm so indebted to everyone, each one of you. And like Dr. Prasan said, if I could be of help in the future, you know, if I'm an alumni now, I can always come. I'll also pursue for LLM. I'm planning that from Meghalaya University now at Barniat. So I'm working in Riboy. I can pursue that. So one fine day, I can come and help, you know, and assist the Khadar Daloi Law College, which has been so nice to me. The faculty members, all the teachers, Sir Kriem, the Sir Lamat, all of you, and my dear classmates, for your encouragement. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
I am Hamish Suya. I'm from Shangpo, just around 22 kilometers from Joy. Apart from this pursuit studies, I manage both sports activities as well studies. I always hunger to learn. Apart from academics, I manage among all activities, helping in anything, the youths especially. But in the late 2019, there are so many who have encouraged me to study law, right from Sir Tebor Kendia, who was the ex-student of this college, also to Ms. Rimaya, and all to my dear friends. During a contrary my life, I think law is required for me in a daily life. Even to drive a vehicle, so we need to know law. So that is the basic that I intend to study law. But thankfully, this Khadar Daloi Law College was there in Joy, whom I cannot go to Shillong, whom I don't have to go to Guwahati, to Bangalore, to Delhi, to spend so much of financial.
Iaki